Massive, perfect for a family, a vacation house. This house is so big. Good morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ray Maliada. I'm presenting you today this very large house in a beachfront. And actually we are located now dito sa Barangay Matabungkay in Nasugbu, Batangas, featuring you with this resort type house. It's a nice house. It's a client's request because we have a buyer already for this. So I just wanted to have a picture of this unit, and in the description is in my link. Anyway, so let's start. So this very big house with a lot area of 1,757 square meters. It has 5 bedrooms. It has pool. It has veranda. Now look at their main door. Oh, it's nice. It's very nice house. Wow. This is a client's request. So with a large lawn, then look at this. Wow, this is your parking area. And this is your porch area. Okay, look at this, guys. Then look at your main door. It's a nice door. Wow, it's a double door. Okay, let's take a look. Wow. So this is the ground floor area. And look at this. Wow, it's so nice. And then your flooring is so nice. So this is the dining area. Then you have the receiving area. Wow, it's so big. So this is a full furnish. It's a huge house. Very nice. And look at the ceiling. It's perfect. I hope Mama will like this unit. And this one, the ground floor bedroom. Look at this. Oh, it has toilet and bath. So look at their flooring. It's a nice. Wow. Then let's check their kitchen area. What makes this intimidate is because of the design. Because it's very oldest type house, but it's elegance na. Ayan, very perfect. So this is their pantry and kitchen area. Oh, look at this, guys. Wow, it's a massive. Even their sink, no, it's very unique. Wow, it's a big shell. Oh, it's more bamboos. Then this one is the kitchen area again, which is then this is the toilet and bath. And have a look. Okay, check natin sa taas. Then the stairs is nice. Look at this, guys. It's ganda. It's very nice. Even their stairs is very good. So this is their family area. This is the second floor. And let's check the one room. So the second room, which it has toilet and bath here, this one. And let's check with the other room. This one, other room. It has also a toilet and bath. Okay, let's check with the third room, which is this one. toilet and bath. This one is laundry also. Look at this one, guys. It's perfect. So let's check with their veranda. The veranda is here. So this is their veranda, which you are fronting in the beach. Oh, look at this. Wow, it's a nice house. Look at that, no? So it has pool, then with another room, then with a garden. And what makes this intimidate is because this is fronting in the beach. Alright, check natin sa baba. Baba tayo. Wow, it's perfect, it's elegant. Wow, look at this now. It's nice. Okay guys, samahan nyo kami. Papunta tayo ng ground floor area. This is the ground floor area, which ang property line is mula doon sa pinakabakod na green hanggang dito sa pinakabakod na green. So look at this now. It's nice, a big house. I hope Mama Lynn will like this one. And you have this, what do you call this one? Is a gazebo wherein it has outlets, no? And you have this intimidating pool area, which is very nice. Wow, Mama Lynn, I hope you will like this one. So ayan, meron siyang pool. It's a large house with a pool. It's a vacation house. Even here, no, meron pa siya sa ibaba. Okay, check natin dito sa ibaba. So this area is perfect for a retirement kasi meron siya mga puno, and you have the space for the garden. Ayan guys, no. Oh, nice. Then check natin yung another one. This is not just the house, but pwede siyang maging business kasi meron siyang mga rooms here. Mama Lynn, no? Tingnan mo, meron ka pang ganito. Look at this. So, 4 rooms. Check natin doon, Ate Malin. Ate Malin, look at this, no? You have this 4 units na magkatabi na 4 guest area. Which is, it has beds and it has their toilets and bath. It's nice. It's perfect. It's a loftable. Plain and siya. Actually, 4 units po siya. I-check natin. Ito ay kasama doon sa bibilin mong property, na. Yan, look at this. Wow. It's included on the list. But, ang titingnan natin talaga ngayon is the beaches. Look at that. Oh, it's nice. It's a very nice house. It's a retirement house. Gusto ko talaga dito. It's a retirement house for a family. Yung mga nag-retire na from abroad, and this one is perfect place. Lalo na kung may mga elderly ka. Oh, look at this, guys. Ayan. Di ba, Ate Malin, ang ganda, oh. See? So, ito na yung hinahanap mo na beachfront. It's a white sand. Okay, dito sa area to. Okay. O, diba? So, ibig sabihin, yung property mo is from there, no, may parking area, hanggang dito sa pinaka-fence. Yan yung pinaka-title property. And then, since harap mo ito, so this is your privilege, which is, you are fronting in the beach. Wow, it's nice. Wherein it's very relaxing. And look at that, maraming nag-jet ski kasi this area talaga is more on tourist, no? More on beaches. It's same like Boracay area. Okay, so it's very nice. I hope magustuhan mo po ito. At least, no, this video is very raw, no cutting. And this is very genuine. And look at that daw, may mga puno pa ng nyug here, which is talaga very homey talaga siya and very nature. So ang question mo kung may tidal wave dito, so for me parang wala naman because surrounded tayo ng mga malalaking mountains. No, ayan po yung mga islands na yan. So this part po is on Matabungkay, Batangas area. And then this area po is fronting Mindoro na. I think Mindoro na po siya. Alright. Okay, so I hope you will like this video. God bless us.